All right, so this program is going to be the greatest and least number. It says write a program with a loop that lets the user enter a series of integers. The user should enter -99 to signal the end of the series. So -99 is our sentinel value. It gets us out of the loop. And so we're going to do a while loop. We would use a sentinel value in a while loop because we don't know how many numbers the user is going to enter. So after all the numbers have been entered, the program should display the largest and smallest numbers entered. So they could put, 5, 10, 2, 1, and the smallest one would be 1 and the largest would be 10. Okay. That's just a list of what the numbers that I gave out, all right? After all the numbers have been entered, the program should display the largest and the smallest numbers entered. Create a set method to set the numbers, and create a get method to get this. So we want to set the numbers, and then we want a get method to get the smallest number and a get method to get the largest number. Input validation. If the largest number is set to -99, create an error message telling the user they did not enter a number. So that'd be like if they entered -99 for the first number. So I'm actually going to do the same thing I've been doing in here, only I'm going to use one of the older programs that we have. This is the set distance, so I'm going to have to change it. But you guys can create this on your own, alright? So this one's going to be, I don't know, we'll call it greatest and least number. Call it main greatest and least number. So that's going to be the name of our class. Let me just make sure it's spelled properly both ways. Okay, cool. So that sets it up. So I import my scanner. Alright. So create my object. Create my scanner. Actually, yeah, I want to create a scanner right there. So, scanner. Alright, so we got to ask the user enter a number, -99 to quit. And we'll have int number, or int num, let's call it int num, equals my scanner next int. We then need to set it, so we'll say I want to have the my in front of it. Dot set greatest and least number, and we'll pass in num to it. Then remember what I said, there's an error check that says we'll get the largest. If that is equal to -99, we will print out an error message. You didn't enter a number, else say the largest number is say my dot get largest and I'll copy that. Okay, so this is basically all of main. We ask the user to enter -99. We will set all this. We'll set the largest and smallest number. Now, the loop that we'll do inside here is going to be a while loop that will have the sentinel value. And so if they enter -99 for the first number, then this will be done instantly. And so this will be the largest number, and it will be -99, and you'll get an error. And if they enter the list like they're supposed to, like I said, like 5, 10, 1, 2, this will work, and 10 would be the largest, and 1 would be the smallest. That would print here. Okay, so let's look at this real quick. Let's start writing this out, the class. So, we've got public void, and then let me go back and make sure I like copying this stuff, so I'll copy that. And int, so then what do we got here? So we'll say int my number, my num equals num, and we'll make that an int my num. Okay, so first time through, this is kind of confusing for people, and we'll make this smallest. Okay, first time through though, the largest number is what's entered in, and the smallest number is also what's entered in. So if they enter 10 in here, 10 is my number, the largest number is my number, which is 10, my num, and smallest is also 10. So you can have a number that's the largest and the smallest at the same time. Okay. So then we got ourselves a while loop. While my num is not equal to -99. So that's our sentinel value. That gets us out. Okay. And then we got some easy if statements. So we got if my num is greater than the largest, which remember it's not. They're going to be equal to the very first time. But then this loop's going to get us into entering another number. Okay, but if it's greater than the largest, then my new largest is equal to my num. Okay. Then I check to see if my num is less than my smallest number. If it is, the smallest is equal to my num. And then all I do is this is where, system, and I can copy some stuff from here. Let's see here. So we could say enter a number -99 to quit, but I'm going to say enter another number. Please enter another number -99 to quit, and then my num is equal to, and so we're using scanner again in here. So I want to be able to import java.util.scanner, and then I would have my scanner class up here. So let's say my scanner equals new scanner. Okay, so we're entering in. So if they enter 10 in here, 10's the largest, 10's the smallest, 10 is not greater than 10, and 10 is not less than 10, but then we enter in another number. So we enter in 5, okay? So then we go back up. Is 5 not equal to negative 99? Nope. So then we do, is 5 greater than 10? No. But is 5 less than 10? Yep. So our new smallest is now 5. And then we can enter another number. This is where you can enter that 1 or whatever. Is 1 not equal to negative 99? That's true. So is 1 greater than 10? Nope. But is 1 less than 5? Yep. So 1 is now the smallest. And then, you could enter in like 100. 100 is not equal to negative 99, but is 100 greater than 10? Yes. So 100 is now my new largest number. And my smallest is 1 less than 1. Or sorry, is 100 less than 1? No. So my smallest stays 1. And then I can do this over and over again until I enter negative 99 to quit. Okay. So that's our set greatest and least number. And the final thing we have to do in here is we just have to do a public int get largest. And we need to return the largest. And then a public get smallest, and we just return the smallest. So that's basically it here. If you ran this, it should work fine. Hopefully there's no errors. Go ahead and make sure you guys are plugging this in and testing this at home on your NetBeans. And kind of study it, because this is a good program to figure out the largest and smallest number in a list. So anyway, this video is done.